some words you will need to know for your presentation. You might want to take some notes. Tissue, a group of cells that have a specific purpose. Brain, a part of the central nervous system enclosed in the craniums of humans and other vertebrates, consisting of soft, convoluted mass of gray and white matter, and serving to control and coordinate the mental and physical actions. Benign. The term benign is used when describing non-cancerous tumors. Malignant. The term malignant is used to describing cancerous tumors. Tumor. An uncontrolled, abnormal, circumscribed growth of cells in any animal or plant tissue. Symptom. A physical or mental feature that is regarded as indicating a condition of a disease. Hallucinations, a sensory experience of something that does not exist outside the mind, caused by various physical and mental disorders or a reaction to certain toxic substances, and usually manifested as visual or auditory images. Treatment. To deal with the disease in order to relieve or cure it. Radiation. The complete process in which energy is emitted by one body, transmitted through an intervening medium or space, and absorbed by another body. Cerebrum, the largest part of the brain, consisting of two halves or hemispheres, and serving to control voluntary movements and coordinate mental actions. Coma, a state of deep unconsciousness that lasts for a prolonged or indefinite period, caused especially by severe injury or illness. We will talk about what a tumor is and how it's formed. The basics you will need to know are tumors are usually formed when well cell doesn't pop, but instead it seeks to multiply. Some tumors are just buildups of skin, and some are infections. You should also know there are 4 types of brain tumors varying in severity. Another thing we will talk about are symptoms of a brain tumor. There are many different symptoms. Some can just be symptoms of a common cold, other more serious. Some symptoms you should know are headaches, usually getting worse slowly, difficulties with balance, speech, hearing, and eyesight loss. Also, unexplained nausea, vomiting, personality and behavior changes, and confusion in everyday things and life. We will also talk about treatments and different types and how they affect different types of tumors and different types of tumors based on where they are located. Some of the things that you need to know, there are many types of treatments and we are talking about only a few. And the kind of treatment someone receives depends on their tumor and where they are placed. Some basic examples are chemotherapy, which is usually referred to as chemo, and radiation. Lastly, we'll talk about some rehabilitation techniques and that might be used for people who have been weakened by the effects of a tumor. Rehabilitation will help people gain their strength back. For example, sometimes after a tumor, people will lose feeling in their body parts. Rehabilitation can help them regain their feeling. Any of these facts may be on the quiz afterwards, so we hope you pay attention. Hope you enjoy our presentation.